Hey everybody, Caitlin here doing a sponsored review of these ONLYFIRE Butane stoves. I've got the 10-inch and the 13.5-inch here. They're very easy to fill with these butane fuel canisters. You can find these for very inexpensive on Amazon or at a local retailer. And these stoves are amazing. They have an overpressure protection device, so that just keeps things nice and protected. They have ventilation holes. They have sunken burner designs to protect the flame from wind. It does also come with an igniter, so whenever you turn it full throttle on, it ignites itself, which I think is phenomenal. And then you can turn the heat down so that you can cook according to your needs. If you guys are going camping, hiking, an RV trip, you just need a quick breakfast, or even for emergencies, highly recommend that you guys look into these. I was really impressed by these right here. Another thing that I really liked about them is they come with carrying cases. So they're very portable, very compact. I really like that I can store these in our garage, really anywhere that I need to store them. And then I just grab the handle and go when I need them. If you guys are looking for some good stoves, highly recommend that you guys check these out. I love them. Hope you do too.